Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the kind of DNS you need and why, faster lookup or privacy matters. Once decided, check your device and router access now so you can change settings. Make sure you have any login credentials for router or ISP, and note current DNS entries so you can revert. This immediate prep prevents downtime and gives context for the next steps. Changing addresses or registering a private resolver will follow. You'll now apply the addresses you chose. Enter the preferred and alternate DNS on the router for everyone, or on a single device if that's all you control. Once done, flush caches and restart network interfaces so lookups use the new servers. If you run a private resolver, configure forwarding and security options like DNS over TLS or HTTPS. Make sure to test common host names with nslookup or dig, and verify both IP4 and IP6 behavior. You finish by verifying resolution across devices and clearing caches again. Confirm performance and privacy settings behave as expected. If things go wrong, switch back to your saved DNS values immediately to restore service, then isolate whether the router, device, or ISP is blocking requests. Make sure firewalls, VPN, or parental controls aren't interfering, and enable secure transport like DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.